What's going on there, guys? Missy Mimi's here, jumping on to show you how to become a member if you own, for example, a iOS device, or you own, say, any form of mobile device. The YouTube app, when you go to YouTube, it is not going to show. Let's see here, the Earthmaster YouTube. So you go to the Earthmaster YouTube on here, and you click there. It's not going to show the join button here because it's not available for the app. So what you want to do is you want to go into Safari and get onto YouTube, and then you want to hit the small a, little a's here, and you want to switch it to request desktop website. And what that'll do is it'll pop it up here. What in the world is going on here? You can tell I'm not signed in because I just don't know what is on there. Okay, so, and then you type in the Earthmaster. What in the world? Don't mind me, I can't type tonight. Woohoo! Earthmaster YouTube. Okay. And there's the subscribe button. And usually, in order to do it, you have to be subscribed already. Because I'm not signed in, it's not going to show it here. So, cancel. So, yeah. So, basically, once you're subscribed on here, then there it is. Okay, so it's officially, like, signed me in here automatically, so got it. So, as you can see, you have to be a subscriber in order to join the membership. So there's the subscribe button. Make sure you hit your notifications to all so that you never miss an update. So subscribe. And then after that, in this view, the desktop view, you can hit the join button and go from there. So I figured I'd give you this tutorial to make it easier on people who may not have a laptop or computer. More people today use a device, a mobile device, than they use anything, or an iPad. It'll work either way, but you have to go through Safari, and then once again, you hit the A, little a, where you're either at the top of your screen or and my way, the bottom. And then right now you can switch between mobile website here, and you can also switch to request desktop website, which is where you're going to see the join button. And then you can join and become a member and see behind the scenes in things that are personal for us. And then if there's other things you guys want to see, let us know in the comments, and we'll make it happen. So thanks, guys. You have a good night, and please subscribe, hit the notification button, like, comment, share, and please become a member, because we would love for you guys to join us in our journey. Have a good night, guys.